What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great and welcome to More on Percussion. My name is Will Roman. On this channel, I upload different rhythms as well as tips to help you as a percussionist. So if that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a like on this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to play a beginner exercise using only one conga. So before I get started, just want to let you guys know the benefit to this exercise is going to be using a 12.5-inch tumbadora or tumba. If you don't have one, that's okay, but it's going to be the most effective if you have the bigger size drum. Reason for that, the drum is actually tuned a lot lower than the conga, and it's actually a little bit more difficult to get these sounds out of the tumba instead of the conga. So it's going to be to your benefit when you play the conga. It's going to be easier for you to get those sounds out of that drum, being that it's tuned much higher. So if you have it, awesome, but if you don't, it's okay. Also want to let you guys know, thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate all of the support you guys have been giving on the channel so far. Right now we're at 874 subscribers, so my goal is to get to 1,000 and keep on going. So if you guys really enjoy this content, you guys are learning, you guys are receiving any kind of benefit from this material, please go ahead and support. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to leave a like and comment on the videos. So having said that, let's get started. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to leave a like on the video. So I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Peace.